Good morning, children. I hope you all are safe. Okay, welcome to online math class. Previous class we have learnt about linear equations in one variable. So definitions and how to solve the problems. So how to find the solution of the given linear equation or simple equation. Next, some applications also we have learnt in the previous class. So now today in the exercise 2.4 it is also some more one example of applications only. So here is given that find the value of x so that L is parallel to M, means this L and M, these two lines are parallel lines and it is transversal. So then how to, this given two angles are alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles. So we know that alternate exterior angles are equal. Alternate exterior angles are equal. So from that we know that here 3x minus 10 equals to 2x plus 15. Why? Because these two are alternate exterior angles. So alternate exterior angles are equal. Now take the variables left hand side, 3x by transposing plus 2x becomes to minus 2x equals to 15. Minus 10 becomes to plus 10. I wrote here constants one side right hand side and variables left hand side. 3x minus 2x is only 1x equals to 15 plus 10 how much? 25. So right finally we got the x value is 25. Second one, what problem is there here? Listen it carefully. So 8 times of a number reduced by 10. Reduced means we have to subtract. Okay. So reduced by 10 is equals to the sum of 6 times. 6 times the number and 4. So find the number. It is question. First 8 times of a number. We don't know any number. So take, let a number be x. Okay, we have to assume the number be x. So that number is 8 times of a number, means we have to 8 times of a number. So it becomes what, Nana? 8 times means 8 into x, that is 8x. Okay. Next, so this 8 times of a number is reduced by 10. So it is reduced. It reduced by 10. Means what we are getting here? 8x minus 10. Are you understand it is? First, we don't know the number. So let the number be x. So 8 times of a number means that is 8 into x. So it reduced by 10. That means it is reduced means we have to subtract 8x minus 10. So up to here it is completed. Now it is equals to the sum of 6 times of a number. 6 times of a number. So what is the 6 times of a number? Means 6 times the number we have taken x. 6 into x. Now the sum of 6 times of a number and 4. And 4. That means 6x plus 4. Okay. Now these two are equal. What they are? What word ma? 8x minus 10 equals to 6x minus 6x plus 4. So according to the given problem, according to the question, given problem. So 8x minus 10 equals to 6x plus 4. Okay. So 8x, take the variable left hand side, minus 6x equals to 4. Take the constant right hand side, minus 10, by transposing it becomes to plus 10. So 8x minus 6x is 2x equals to 4 plus 10 is 14. Then x equals to, here it is multiplication, by transposing it becomes to division. So 2 ones, 2 sevens. At last we got x equals to 7. What is the number ma? We have taken, let a number be x. What is the number? X. X equals to 7. We got it. X value, x equals to 7 is our answer. Yes. Third and fourth questions, try yourself. Now I will explain fifth question. When I triple a certain number and add 2, I get the same answer as I do when I subtract the number from 50. So find the number. It is like logical question ma. First understand carefully it is. So we don't know the number here also. So same. If you take, let the number be x. We don't know the number, so that's why we have take x. Okay. So when I triple a certain number, triple means what? 3 times. Okay. So triple a number. Means 3x and add 2. So means and add 2. Add 2. So that is 3x plus 2. Okay. Next, the same answer I do when I subtract the number from 50. Okay. So what? We should subtract a number from 50. Subtract a number from 50. That means 50 minus a number we have taken x. So according to the problem here is given, these both are equal. We are getting the same answer. So according to the problem, given problem or problem, so 3x plus 2 equals to 50 minus x. Take the variable one side my left hand side, 3x minus x. By transposing it becomes 2 plus x. 50, take constant right hand side plus 2. By transposing it becomes 2 minus 2. 3x plus x is 4x equals to 50 minus 2 is 48. Good. So then x equals to 48. By transposing this 4 becomes 2 division. So 48 by 4, 4 table, 4 ones 4, 4 twos are. So then at last we got x equals to 12. We have taken, let the number be x. So that x value should be, we got x value, that is x equals to 12. Okay. Next, sixth problem. Mary is twice older than her sister. In 5 years time, she will be 2 years older than her sister. So find how old are they both now. We have to find the their ages at present. Okay. So we don't know the age of her sister and age of Mary. Okay. So let me take, here is given Mary age is twice older than her sister. First we don't know the her sister's age. So suppose her sister age is x, say. Okay. So we have to assume her sister age is x years. So then what becomes Mary's age is what? Mary age is twice. Twice means 2 times. 2 into her sister's age, that is 2x. 2 into x is 2x. Now in 5 years time means after 5 years. After 5 years, she will be 2 years older than her sisters. After 5 years means we have to add both of 5 years. So after 5 years, Mary age is how much? Mary age is 2x plus 5. Okay. Next, her sister age is also her sister age. X plus 5 and also 2 years older than her sister's age. So that's why we should add plus 2. Then what we are getting according to the problem. So here we got x plus 5 plus 2 is 7. These two are equal. So 2x plus 5 equals to x plus 7. So that is 2x. Take variable left hand side plus x by transposing it becomes to minus x. 7 plus 5 by transposing it becomes to minus 5. Then 2x minus x equals to x. That is 7 minus 5 is 2. So x equals to 2 is her sister's age. So at last we got her sister age how much? Her sister age 2 years. Now Mary age. Mary age is how much? Twice of her sister's age now. So that is 2 into x also we got 2x means 2 into 2. That is 2 2s are 4 years. So Mary's age is 4 years and her sister's age is 2 years. I hope you all understand. Once again I repeat. See here, suppose her sister age we don't know. So take x. So Mary's age is twice older than her sister. So that's why 2 into x is 2x. Next, here is given in 5 years time means after 5 years Mary's age becomes 2. Automatically we should add plus 5 years. So 2x plus 5. So her sister age also increases. So her sister age is x plus 5, but here is given that 2 years older than her sister. So that's why we should add plus 2 here. Now x plus 5 plus 2 is x plus 7. According to the problem, these both are equal. So that is 2x plus 5 equals to x plus 7. So it is a linear equation in one variable. We got a linear equation in one variable. We should solve this one. So 2x by transposing plus x becomes to minus x. 7 plus 5 becomes to minus 5. Then 2x minus x equals to x. 7 minus 5 equals to 2. So x means we have taken here her sister's age. So finally we got her sister age is 2 years. So Mary's age is twice of her sister's age. So that's why 2 into 2 is 4 years. So Mary's age is 4 years and her sister age is 2 years. Okay.